to mind your business. You got to know what you're doing. Let's go into a little bit deeper. This is what, if you open up the Gem Level Leaderboard with that on the left there, that is going to pop up this screen. I'm going to go in a little bit closer. And then to understand the criteria, if you look in the middle, Ruby criteria, Ruby Elite criteria, Ruby Hit and Earn. That's where you can click those links, and it'll take you a little bit deeper in. So let me walk through a couple, okay, and what this means. We have a lot of people doing a lot of great work. And just keeping, so a lot of times we have individuals, even, I'm going to walk through some numbers. Hey, folks are doing some great things, but let me walk through a couple of these. For instance, the first person there, Ms. Blair, North Carolina. Has you attended the training? Yes, you must attend the training, right? And some people haven't attended training. If you go back on some of these boards, you can see no, which means they will not qualify for any bonuses. Kathy, they're not getting paid because they haven't taken the small business training in 2025.
You know, Ken, and I had somebody this last weekend in my class that I had been, reaching out to all year long.